In this episode of Quicksights, we are discussing email marketing best practices and how to put them to your business advantage. My name is Andre, and our guest in this edition of Quicksights is Clara Lilay from A-Log Communications. Clara, wonderful to have you with us.
Thank you for having me.
So, Clara, what is the biggest opportunity that email marketing presents and how to make most of it?
Okay, thanks, Andre. So email marketing offers a personalized experience that every brand needs in this customer-centric world. And I'd like to share with you some of the best practices to consider for your email marketing campaigns in 2022. So first, it would be creating personalized content. The ability to create a touch point through the customer's email inbox creates an intimate vibe for the brand's message. And this makes email marketing a win over other marketing methods. Email personalization starts from the email's headline and runs through its content. And you can segment your audience and target them based on their behaviors. Based on the user search data, you can recommend specific products and complementary services to increase sales. However, I think there's a line that you should not cross. That is, don't be so obvious that you are monitoring the data or making any remarks about their consumption behaviors. That would make them feel uneasy.
Great. So aside from personalization, what else is important in terms of content?
Okay, that would bring us to the second point. Be regular with your content so that customers won't forget about you. For B2B companies, I recommend sending at least once per month. For B2C, a weekly schedule would keep you on their minds. But remember, don't engage in hard sell content that could trigger a spam flag or unsubscription. It shouldn't be all about branding and promotion. You can add user-generated content to show appreciation to your customers. Moreover, showcasing genuine feedback will add more credibility to your email marketing strategy.
And are there any tips on how to know if email marketing campaign is performing well or not?
You should measure the campaign's performance as well. You should monitor email marketing metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, etc., to evaluate the campaign performance and discover what clicks with your audience.
Clara, I thank you so much for your contribution to DesignRush Quicksights.